Hi, this is Group 13 presenting blockchain implementations in supply chain management. Our team members are Gladys, Guo, Ziyu, and Zihan. First is the introduction of our topic. The supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods, service, and information involving the storage and movement of raw materials, building products, as well as full-fledged finished goods from one point to another. Modern supply chains are spatially distributed, complex, and multi-echelon. Lambert and Cooper had identified 9 management components for successful supply chain management. The first, planning and control. The second, work structure. The third, organization structure. The fourth, product flow facility structure. The fifth, information flow facility structure. The sixth, management methods. The seventh, power and leadership structure. The eighth, risk and reward structure. And lastly, culture and attitude. Globalization opens up several challenges to supply chain management. Many companies need to procure different parts of their products in different geographic locations, which make it really hard to coordinate and collaborate. There are thus a lot of inefficiencies tied to transactions, distribution, and warehousing in traditional supply chains. The use of blockchain technology enables verifiable time-stamped transactions that are stored in a shared ledger, guaranteeing real-time system and data integrity without extending user promoteness. The blockchain network can take in any and all participants of the supply chain network. Regardless of their geographical location, everybody will be able to connect with the blockchain. The use of blockchain technology enables verifiable time-stamped transactions that are stored in a shared ledger, guaranteeing real-time system and data integrity without extending user promoteness. The blockchain network can take in any and all participants of the supply chain network. Regardless of their geographical location, everybody will be able to connect with the blockchain. This section shows our literature review. First, a brief introduction to blockchain. A blockchain is defined as a system to implement distributed and decentralized ledgers. This means everyone can use it and add value to it. It has features such as decentralization, auditability, security, and smart acquisition. This slide shows the current use of blockchain. Blockchain can be used by organizations to identify management. It also can be used for authentication to check if the information is true. The organizations use blockchain technology to gain advantage such as credibility, competitive advantage, cost reduction, and customer satisfaction. Many scholars suggested that blockchain impacts critical components in supply chain management, such as quality, transparency, cost, and traceability. Based on the research from Nana and others, blockchain technology would support the traceability system with more security and reliability. It can avoid some worthless steps by monitoring each process closely, and it can quickly find and fix a problem that existed in the system. Catchtree mentioned that all the transactions would be recorded digitally, so it reduced the cost of manual input process. It also minimized resource wastes by matching the suitable amount of assets to complete the required project. Sabiri and others mentioned that using blockchain can prevent unethical suppliers and bad units, due to all the information can only be recorded by authorized users. Therefore, the business can maintain a reasonable quality control and ensure production process comply with environmental standards, and the business gain the ability to disclose product sourcing information to concerned customers. However, many companies still facing failure when apply blockchain in practice, as current industry is lacking managers with sufficient blockchain knowledge and background. Another failure factor is the bad cooperation between different departments during the implementation. Cybersecurity is another big issue that concerns many companies. As the technology advances, so is the danger of cybercrimes. This section shows a case study of De Beer Group. De Beer Group was founded in 1888, and it has been the world's largest diamond company since then. However, its market share has been dropping since the last century due to the anti-monopoly policy and increasing competition. Nowadays, they are facing some serious issues, such as media judgment about unethical practice, lack of innovation in the industry. So, in order to solve these problems, De Beer introduced the blockchain techniques to the diamond industry for the first time in May 2018. They established the supply chain platform called Trika and hope this platform could improve their current supply chain efficiency and add additional value to their products. By using a process called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, interested parties could trace every transaction and changes happened in the diamond producing process. It not only increases security but also simplifies the production process using AI technology. After applying the blockchain technology, De Beer Group reduced their supply chain costs, increased traceability, and improved public image. It also established an open channel for other unorganized companies to join and subtly set the international standards. It proved that the blockchain technology is one of the best tools to accomplish success in supply chain management. In conclusion, blockchain technology provides significant benefits to supply chain management, such as faster problem-solving, automation, better efficiency, better security, cost reduction, transparency, and traceability. But the implementation of blockchain is still hard for small and medium-sized organizations because of the lack of professional individuals and the insufficient of effective and constant collaboration during the process. Furthermore, the challenge of cybersecurity has always been a problem for the development of blockchain, as current studies already show that the integration of blockchain in supply chain management is inevitable for large organizations. Further study on better implementation, utilization, and information security of blockchain is still required. Thanks for your time. This is the end of presentation.